Can I see that? Oh, you're on am I on camera?
Yeah.
Thumbnail picture. Bonus clip.
Effie! 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 This way! Effie! Effie biscuits, come on!
Come on, biscuits. Hey guys, it's Jake here, and I'm at the bowling again, and we're just sitting down, just having a break from walking, and I've had a biscuit and and crisps, and this. I think somebody's shouting my name. I just heard somebody shouting my name. So anyway, just brought the dogs again. So and there's something in my water. Look, if you see it, you won't see it. You see it? Something in my water. Something in my water. I think we're about to head off now. So my hands are getting cold. So everything's getting cold. My phone is as well, so I'm holding it. So, and Bruce behave. And well, there's no doorbell prank today. So no doorbell prank today. I did it last time, but I'm not doing it again. So they got, because remember, they got sick and tired of it. So, you know, and reminder, Ian's in bed. What? Hey guys, so I'm in the house because I'm working on this video. So that's why I checked on my other phone and see if the video was there, and it's not. So I have to gonna do it in the house instead. So I'd like to know it's Mother's Day this is Mother's Day this Sunday. So anyway, let's carry on with the video. What? Sorry about that, guys. So we're about to head off now. Right. So I'll see you. Hey guys, I'm back now. I'll see you back into the house now, and I look white. I really do. I look white. So here's that picture. It's the Jones family. It's the Jones family. So, and I'm part of the family. No, I'm the Basic family. So. This is not my house. I don't live here. I live somewhere else. Like, the orange house it is. My house is orange. So, like, yeah, that's all I can say. I'm tired out. And I also look quiet, so. Oh, my cheeks are getting red and purple. It looks purple. So, and the Jones family. No, say hi to us, the Jones family. Gotta freeze that. Yeah, gotta freeze that. Well, they're being statues. They're just being. I just ran to there and back. That's what I did. So next 2 laps. Go. Again. Wait. Found a football. Found a football. I'm gonna get some water. I'm getting tired. Oh God, I'm dying. Oh my God. Thought my laces are undone then. I need a drink. Oh. You know what, I'll try. Start at that corner and try and jump over. Try and put that there. Move this out of the way. Oh, I did it. I did it. Oh. Ah, my bum. Oh. My bum. Alright then guys, so just having a rest. Oh. So just having a rest now. So I've been running around getting myself as an athlete. So anyway, I'm taking a rest, just having a drink of water, and Oakwood. You'll be watching the sky. got a bottle to put the camera there. Put the camera looking at myself. So guys, back home now. So back home now. So yeah, I'm very tired, and I need to have a rest. Pardon me. I've had McDonald's. I'm full up and tired. Oh, so I'm in my shed. That's where I mostly live most of the time. So before this video ends, I would like to give a shout out to Bass Rex and Seshlehem Central for making good music, and Hugo Central. Thank you guys if you're watching. Like the video, and alright Hugo. Anyway, so alright then, so this is going to be the end of the video now. So this video is this is the end now. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. It's gonna be the end. So like, comment, like and subscribe. Goodbye.